Hello guys, welcome to the logical programming video tutorial, and in this video tutorial we are gonna check that is toString are anagram or not. So let's get started. And first question, if you don't know what is the anagram, then there is the answer. Let's say if we have the two strings and they are the rearrangement of the each other, like okay is the rearrangement of the oik, so that means they are anagram. Okay, so for more details you can check that here. A string which is created by the rearrangement of the letters, or you can not only letters, you can say that not only string, that it can be a character or couple of strings, substrings, whatever. That means they are rearrangement of each other. And for more another example, so you can see that spare is reformed as a rest. So the characters are rearranged here, not the new characters here. For more example, you can say that the by is the anagram of ye by, by ey. Okay, and it can be yeb and eby. These are the anagrams because the characters are repeated and rearranged only. All right. So how we can check that the two strings are anagram? For that we need a for loop up to the string first of all. Then we need a second nested loop up to the another second string, and then we have to check that is the character of first string is the matched with the any string, any character of the second string. Then if they are matched, then it's the basically anagram. And for example, I'm going to show you here. So let's say first of all, and now if you are not understand how is loading work, then I'll show you the step by step in the for loop. So you can see that I am going to make a for loop. I start with the 0 and I go up to the length and I'll plus here. All right, so this is my first loop. I'm going to make one more loop, which is j equal to 0. It's actually str.length, str1.length. all right, so the second is j start from the 0 and it will go up to the str2.length and j plus plus, simply j plus plus. Now, and here I'm going to put my logic. You can check that if str1 I equal to str2 I j are matched, that means the two characters are matched and they are this character is present. So for example, my I string 1th I is O, then it will match with the O K E Y. If it is matched with anyone, then our condition is true basically. All right, so for this condition I'm going to take here where present equal to 1. all right, so if present equal to 0, that means we are assuming that the characters is not matched, and if character is matched, then we are putting here 1. all right, and after this for loop I'm going to check here if present equal to 1, then it's simply you can put there document dot write matched, means character is matched here. So it will show under the second loop, that means it will tell that every character is not matched or not. So let's say it will check the O it's matched, K it's matched, and here we have like U, so it's not matched, so that means it's not anagram. So it will check that every characters. all right, so we will rearrange and check that the all conditions here, don't worry about that. So, and in the else condition I'm going to put here simply not matched. That's my bad. not matched. Alright, so now let's check it on the browser. So I am going to put here one more document dot write here, so that with the br tag, so that we can see the result in the next line. So let's check here. Oops, I think this loop is, we made any mistake here, maybe. I think I have to check that. Alright, so here I made the mistake, less than j. So you can say that all characters are matched, everything is matched. So I need to take one more condition here, which is I will take it the outside from the for loop. Let is anagram equal to, I'm going to put it yes. For now you can take it as a flag, like true false if you want, it's on your wish. And if this is present, then it always be take here anagram equal to, sorry, if this is not matched with this string, and because we already take it true here, then we will take it in the else condition. It's no, simply no. So if any condition, even a single one condition is failed, then it will tell that the condition is not matched, and the final answer will be here. This is anagram, we checked here. Alright, and we can take some br tags also here. So you can see that all cases are matched and its answer is yes. If I'm going to take here like the u with the place with the z or whatever, then you will see the case second is not matched. This is the second case is not matched, and this is not anagram. So this is the program for simply about, you can say that how we can check that anagram or not. And if you want to this code, then you can find me on the Facebook page. The link is given in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. We are going to put a very long series of logical program, and if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.